Okay, guys, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to host your Loveable project and make it live. Okay, so first you'll have to push your code to GitHub. So for that, just click here, then connect your GitHub. So click connect GitHub, then connect project. I already have connected my GitHub here, so I have it. If you haven't, you can just connect it from there. Okay, so just like that, my code has been pushed to GitHub. Then I can close this, then follow it to GitHub. So github.com. So I've connected my GitHub. That's why it will be called something like Clarity Sober Days Tracker. Okay. Okay, so now you go to your repositories here. Then you can see your code. Uh, it's this one. So if I click it, you'll see it, this one. So this is the code from Loveable. If you don't want traces of Loveable, so this readme will snitch you. So just edit, then you can just remove all this. You can change it to your own or just remove it. I don't think we'll need it, so let me just remove it. Then at the moment the repository is private. If you want it to be public so that other people can see it, you can click settings. Then here visibility, you can change visibility to public, but we are going to leave it as private. Okay, then next now is this is where we will host our app. So there's a platform called Vercel. So I always use Vercel for hosting these applications, but you can also use Netlify. So you just create an account with Vercel. I would recommend you use sign up with Google. Like you continue with Google while creating an account. Then once you've done that, you can add a new then project. Then here it will bring your GitHub. But if it is not connected, you can just connect it. Okay. So now we want this Clarity Sober Days import. Then project name. Here we can change its name to Sobriety. Sobriety Tracker. Nice. Then the rest I haven't added any environment variables. So just click deploy. So don't touch this. Just change your project name or leave it the way it is. I think this is going to be used for the URL of your website. Deploy. Uh-huh. Shouldn't take long. So build installing dependencies. If you want to look, you can see. But I don't think that's necessary. So let's just give it its time. Okay, I think it's done. Actually, it doesn't take long. And voila! Okay, continue to dashboard. You can now click continue to dashboard. Okay, now you'll see here a URL here .vercel.app. So it's called sobriety tracker.vercel.app. Then that's it. That's basically how you host your website to Vercel. Uh, what else? So if you want to add a custom domain of your own instead of having .vercel.app, this is what you do. So you come to settings, then domains. Then here you can add a domain. Uh-huh. Let's say, for example, uh, sobriety, tracker.com, production. Nice. Sobriety tracker, sobriety tracker.com. Then here, save. Then now you can come here and you see Vercel DNS. So you copy these DNSs and copy them to your platform of choice. So let's say, for example, you are using Hostinga. You can just copy this and add them to your actual domain name server. I don't have this. I don't own this domain, so it doesn't. It won't work. So I think let me just remove it because it's not my domain. But if it was my domain, I'd just copy the DNS and paste them in my actual domain. So for now, website resides at sobrietytracker.vercel.app. It's an actual app. You can check it out. This website, Sobriety Tracker, I'm going to paste the link in the description. It's basically an app that will help you track your sobriety journey. So maybe let's say, for example, you are trying to quit something you're addicted to. You can use this app to track the number of days you've been sober. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member of the channel. Ciao.